Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to log into your Mailchimp account when two-factor authentication is enabled. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, but it can sometimes make logging in a bit tricky if you're not prepared. Don't worry, we'll guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Go to the Mailchimp login page and enter your username and password as usual. Step 2. When prompted for your two-factor authentication code, open your authentication app on your phone or device. This could be Google Authenticator, Authy, or another app you've linked to your Mailchimp account. Step 3. Enter the 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app into the prompt on Mailchimp. Make sure you enter it promptly, as these codes refresh every 30 seconds. Step 4. If you don't have access to your authentication app, click on the Try Another Way or I Can't Access My Device link. Mailchimp will guide you through alternative verification options. Step 5. Use backup codes if available. When you first set up two-factor authentication, Mailchimp provides backup codes. Enter one of these codes to log in if your device is unavailable. Step 6. Once logged in, consider updating your two-factor authentication settings. You can add a new device or app to ensure you have multiple ways to access your account in the future. Always keep your backup codes in a safe place and make sure your authentication methods are up to date to avoid any login issues. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.